Another benefit we take from the hadith of Jibreel alayhi salam is the etiquette of the students of knowledge when sitting in front of a scholar and when seeking knowledge. This shows us that he should have manners when seeking knowledge. And it is not a condition. It is not a condition for the one who's asking questions to be ignorant of the question. Rather, he can ask to benefit the ones present at that time. So this teaches us how to benefit from asking questions. So he asks so others can be taught. For example, you might be in a class where people don't pray. So you ask the teacher, what's the ruling of the one who doesn't pray? And what advice do you have for someone who has left the salah? These are beneficial questions in comparison to people who ask questions to cast doubts and confusion amongst the people learning the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Or he asks to show off. So here we can learn that questions go back to intentions. Questions go back to intentions. So when you ask questions, ask yourself, why am I asking this question? Is there any benefit from asking this question? Will it better my worship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Will I help a brother or a sister to remove a doubt that they are facing with? So a good question consists of removing ignorance from yourself. Another thing we learn is the way of learning. There's a type of learning. And this is one type of learning, which is through questions. And we learn that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, فَإِنَّهُ جِبْرِيلُ أَتَاكُمْ يُعَلِّمُكُمْ دِينَكُمْ. فَإِنَّهُ جِبْرِيلُ, that was Jibreel. أَتَاكُمْ يُعَلِّمُكُمْ دِينَكُمْ. He came to teach you your religion. So if we pay attention to the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or should I say the words of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we will see that the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam is showing us Jibreel taught you through asking questions. Jibreel alayhi salam taught you through asking questions. So this indicates a person can be rewarded, and he can get the reward of teaching others by asking beneficial questions that people are ignorant of.